Mastering the YouTube algorithm in 2024, key strategies for success. In 2024, mastering the YouTube algorithm is key to skyrocketing your channel's growth. Let's dive into how you can achieve this. First, understanding the algorithm is crucial. It's designed to keep viewers engaged and constantly consuming content. Creating compelling, high-quality videos is non-negotiable. Your content must captivate viewers from the first second to the last. Keywords play a pivotal role. Use them wisely in your titles, descriptions, and tags to boost your video's visibility. Consistency is your best friend. Uploading regularly keeps your audience engaged and signals the algorithm to favor your content. Lastly, leverage trends but stay true to your niche. Trending topics can give you a temporary boost, but authenticity ensures longevity. Engagement metrics are the algorithm's bread and butter. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos.